Hi, my name is Mahesh Bendre. I'm co-managing LIC Infrastructure Fund. I'm a mechanical engineer. I have done my PhD in finance. I carry almost 18 years of experience in equity research and fund management. India is on the verge of significant growth driven by decarbonization, deglobalization, and government's significant effort to improve infrastructure and increase the manufacturing so as to reduce imports and increase exports. So the growth initially will be driven by the capital expenditure, that is capex, and followed by the consumption, which will drive the incremental growth for next decade for India as a whole. Currently, gross fixed capital formation in the country is 91 lakh crore. Out of that, 45 lakh crore comes from the government and private entities. Over the next 6 years, we are expecting this 45 lakh crore triple from here given the investments planned by the private entities and government, and this will become a significant driver for India going forward. Infrastructure development splits into two parts. One is traditional infrastructure like roads, ports, airports, and new age infrastructure like data centers, smart grids, renewable energy, and so on. So we think over the next decade, opportunity exists for asset creators, asset owners, and asset users. While in first phase, asset creators are going to benefit, followed by asset owners and asset users. We are expecting significant opportunities and spend to take place in defense, aerospace, railway, renewable energy, electronics, and so on. So India's growth story is driven by infrastructure spend and capital expenditure, which is well captured by LIC Infrastructure Fund. We continue to scale up and sizing up opportunity in existing as well as new sectors that are coming up over the next decade. Thank you.
Investments in the securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.